Look what we have here, everybody. We have the iPhone 17e, and this one is going to be in pink. How do we know that? Because the box, the iPhone 17e, the pink is, all right, let's get into this. All right, let's go. Get this thing unboxed so we can get a look at it. We don't need an unboxing knife anymore. I kind of miss those days, but Apple makes it easier to get to your phone. All right, so let's make sure that I got exactly what I wanted to get. Yes. Look at that. And this one here is, let me see if we can, I got the pink. I know it looks white right here, but this is actually pink and it's my lighting. Let me turn off one of these lights. That right there helped a little. You can kind of see right there, all right? So the iPhone 17e, this is a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display. It has an A19 chip in it, 6-core CPU, 4-core GPU. All right, the camera, it has a 140 megapixel camera. And the good news is, here's the great news for the iPhone 17e as opposed to the 16e. This iPhone 17e comes equipped with 256 gigabytes of space. That's the base model. Last year, the iPhone 16e came equipped with 128 gigabytes of storage for its base model. And I prefer to get the base model when it comes to these iPhones because I like testing them out, you know, for people that are budget conscious. I like being able to help out people who are trying to make a budget conscious decision. And this is Apple's least expensive of the iPhone series, right? You have the 17, the 17 Pro, the 17 Pro Max. Now we have the iPhone 17e. This is going to run you $599. All right. Now I know a lot of people are saying, well, dang, that's really expensive for a budget phone. And if you want to speak in generalities, yes, it is. But if you're speaking from an Apple point of view, no, this is not expensive. All right. Like I said, it's the least expensive. And by the way, I wish the camera would do it a little more justice. That pink is really nice. Let me see if I can turn this down just a tad. Yep, I'm having a hard time seeing that still. All right. But it's a really beautiful phone. It has that one camera, 48 megapixel fusion camera system, 2x optical quality telephoto, and you can record at 4K Dolby Vision Pro. All right. So anyway, I wanted to say this. Last year, I used the 16e as my daily driver. I traveled around the United States with it. It did not let me down once. I want to do the same thing with this iPhone 17e. This is the most exciting iPhone of the year, period, all right? The reason it's so exciting is you're not spending $1,200. You're not spending $800. You're spending $600. And if you're going to a carrier, they probably just want to give it to you, right? You sign your little contract, boom, they're like, here, get out of here. Anyway, in the comments, hit me up. Let me know if you're excited about the iPhone 17e.